Listen, it's time for you script kiddies to learn how to make your own World at War mod menu instead of buying one off your creepy Uncle Lester from down the road. Alright, you filthy maggots. Let's get started. Hey guys, Exit Gaming here today, and if you were confused by that little intro, I'm trying to be creative, and I just can't. But today I will be showing you how to make a World at War mod menu for PC. And if you... I'm just going to say it, I'm going to let you know now, it's not going to be, a great mod menu. It's not going to have give all weapons or any of those fancy commands. I mean, it's 4 typical commands, such as God mode, no clip, no target, and I'm forgetting one, third person. I don't know if I just said that, but I said it anyway. Anyway, it's simply, I look at this tool as a little guide into modding. And it certainly has helped me, and I made 2 of them as a test, and they work just fine. I like it. But anyway, enough about me talking. Let's get into the tutorial. Anyway, so we will be using this tool by VHacks V2, and I'll have his YouTube in the link as long as the original video and his forum that he released it on. And I'll explain what all this other stuff is later. But for now, I have created this tutorial in my own words for this program, because I didn't know how to use it at the start. If I were to open this, or if I were to show you a tutorial with no voice, would you understand to use this if I were to just do random stuff? No, you wouldn't. So I asked him myself if I could do this tutorial with voice, and he's given me permission, and I'll, again, give him credit. Credit to him, his program, not mine. So yeah, anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started. And now, I have this to, help me and you. So you are going to create the menu by clicking File, a new menu. Then you are going to simply go to where you want the menu to be saved. So I want it in My Menus. Make a new folder and name it YouTube Menu. Click on it, make sure to title it, click OK. It's going to ask you to name the project YouTube Menus Create. Alright. Then after you do that, right here in the upper right hand, you should see, add menu, menu name. This is going to be the name of your menu. If you want to go ahead, I don't know if you want to copy mine exactly, but it may help you through, just to get the hang of it. Go ahead and do so by all means, anything that'll help you. But once you write your name, go ahead and just click add, and now it's gone. It's going to be in this tab, the menu control and current menu. But before we touch any of that, we are going to mess with the menu GUI, known as the menu graphical user interface. This is going to help you guide you through your menu. And yeah, so we're going to start by picking colors. I'm going to have the background be green. I'm going to have a gradient, and I don't want it to be too visible, because I want to see what's going on in the background. Then we're going to pick a scroller. And I want that checkerboard. I like it. And then down here you can have the menu position, title, and then text. Alright? Be sure to file save, because there are some little things you will forget to do, and it will bug out, and trust me, it's not fun. Anyway. Next we're going to go in the main menu. And the first thing we're going to do is, in this first little box for menu text, and I'll go ahead and pop this up just in case you don't know. This is the text that will appear in your menu. So what you're going to type in this little box is what you typed as your menu name. So if I click this, YouTube Menus Name, and it has to be exactly spelled out, spaced in everything as you did up here, what's here, and then from the rest on, you'll see what I mean. And if you're wondering what the functions are, he has a function list right here, and there's a list of commands. Just imagine the function as the command you would put in console, alright? So for this one, we are going to put this one, submenu. And it just loads the menu in the current menu. So an example, if I was in the current menu, main menu, and I went to go in my YouTubes or whatever, and when I selected it, that's what it's going to do. So we're going to do submenu. You have to, by the way, I should point this out, it has to be exactly spelled how it is in the list too, otherwise that won't work. And then the input is just going to be, again, the name. And then from menu text, alright, and then here you would have whatever you want. So for God mode, say I want it Jesus Crest mod. Gotta put a 0. Yes. Okay. And the function has to be God mode because there's no Jesus Christ console command that makes you invincible or whatever. None of that. And then you don't need anything for the input, just like this, and you're going to do it for the rest of the other functions you want. So next there's no clip. Say I want it to be named UFO. No clip. And then invisible. No target. And then I can't think. Oh yeah, make sure that's enabled, by the way, because you obviously want it to work and be able to use it. And then I can't think of a name for third person, so I'm just going to do third person. Okay. Don't forget to click Save Current Menu down here at the bottom. And honestly, I'm not even using this as much as I thought I would, but let's see what I can do. So after you have your main menu done and danded, you're going to click the current menu and go into your custom menu. What you're going to do here is pretty much take what you put in the main menu from the first mod to the last mod and move them up one. So you are not you're going to have, like, say if you did God mode first like me, you're going to have that in the first one and then no clip in the second and then so forth. So we're going to go back into the regular one and then name it. You can name it whatever. This is pretty much, this is the main menu. This is what you're all going to see. You're going to see this. You're going to see the 4 mods you have. This is a second menu you will have. So like these can be different console command names. So like, I'll explain this better. Like I have Jesus Christ. What if I want it Satan mode, and then God mode, and then flying naked man as no clip, and then can't see me as no target, and over the shoulders as third person. So this is what you are going to see when you enter this menu. Alright, and I should quickly mention how we have our menu in the first one up here. You are going to have main menu at the bottom one down here. And make sure it's enabled because you want to be able to go back into in and out of it. Alright, we're going to save it a few times. We're going to file save it while we're at it because we don't want anything to break. And I know you may just get done, you click save current menu and you click file export. Just be sure to save it because otherwise it won't work. Anyway, now that we have our menu, we're going to file, we're going to save it just to be safe. We are then, I'm going to close this out because we don't need that. I'm then going to export the menu, and then we're going to pick PC. Go to where mine is, save it in there, and click OK, and it's going to say export complete. Next, you are going to go to where you saved it. Here's mine. Now it's going to be called export it menu. Now if you want, you can have what's really cool. If you go ahead and rename it, right? If you do Shift 6, you're going to have this caret. If we go in here, you can have color code names for your folder, right? Now it's not going to look great as in like it's not going to show the color in the folder, but it will show in game, and I will show that as well to show you that it's working. So if I want to do, let's do this, YouTube video. I don't know if it's going to exactly work like that, but we're going to try. And then I'm going to copy this, but you may just want to drag and drop or whatever you want to do. Next, you are going to go, alright, where Call of Duty World at War is installed. I have it for Steam, but as many of you know, well, it's like installing a custom map, I should really say. I'm sorry, I don't know why. You're going to hold the Windows key and X. No, that wasn't. Windows key and R, sorry. Percent app data percent. Enter. Then you're going to back out to app data. Click local. Activision. COD WAW. Mods. Then you are going to paste or drag and drop your menu in there. Then I'm going to head and quickly get the game running, and have it window screened so everyone can see it. So I will be right back in a second, guys. Anyway, guys, here we are in Call of Duty World at War. Once you launch the game up, you're going to then click mods, and you should find your custom named one, which is, here it is, YouTube video, and that's what I did with the caret and the numbers. You are simply going to click launch. Give it a minute. There we go. And you are then going to click solo, mission select, Nazi zombies. And as far as I know, it only works on Nakter, Untoten, and Darius. But I like to launch Nakter Untoten as a test run to see if it crashes or not. As you can see, it seems to be loading just fine. I'll go ahead and skip this. I should be able to look up and press G and open my mod menu. As you can see, here you go. Here's my Jesus Crest. Here's my UFO, my invisible, my third person. And if we go into the YouTube menus, view 1, there it is. Satan mode, flying naked, can't see me over the shoulders. And then it brings me back to the very first menu. And you could add more menus if you really want to. Like, you can have an extra menu, a second, a third, a fifth, a 10th. You can have as many menus as you want, as long as it works, guys. Go nuts. It's your menu. Have fun. And to simply activate it, just look up. Hold on, I'm gonna no clip back down. Just press G, left click to go down, right click to go up. Be careful, because when you aim, it likes to go up. F to activate, V to go out, and then if you do go UFO, no clip. G is the no clip button, and then to get out of it, V. I'm gonna find somewhere to land. V is to disable it. And everything's blowing up. Alright. So just like that, guys, that is how you get your own custom working mod menu. Alright? And I hope you guys enjoyed, and if this video did help you, please drop a like down. Comment what you guys want me to do next. And that is it for today. And, well, hope you guys enjoy making your own mod menu now. I hope you all have a very nice day, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. I'll see you guys later.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's